Hello. My name is Sarah. Today, I will tell you about my day. I used many different expressions. These expressions are very useful in daily life. Let me share my experiences with you. I will also give you many examples so you can learn and practice. I am over the moon. This morning, I got my test results. I scored 100%. I was so happy that I told my mom, I am over the moon. She hugged me and said, I am proud of you. We use I am over the moon when we feel extremely happy and excited. For example, if you win a prize, you can say, I am over the moon. If your favorite team wins a game, you can say, I am over the moon. Keep it in your mind. At school, my teacher said, tomorrow is the big test, so keep it in your mind and study well. We use keep it in your mind when we tell someone to remember something. For example, if your mom reminds you about an appointment, she might say, keep it in your mind. If your friend gives you advice, they might say, keep it in your mind. That is all. At the restaurant, I ordered a pizza and a drink. The waiter asked, would you like anything else? I said, no, that is all. We use that is all when we finish speaking or ordering something. For example, if you finish your homework and your teacher asks if you are done, you can say, that is all. If someone asks if you need more food, you can say, that is all. Thank you for your advice. My best friend Anna told me to study harder for my exams. I followed her advice and got a high score. I told her, thank you for your advice. It really helped. We use thank you for your advice when we appreciate someone's suggestion or guidance. For example, if your teacher gives you study tips, you can say, thank you for your advice. If your mom tells you how to cook something, you can say, thank you for your advice. I am back. After a long vacation, I returned to school. When I saw my friends, I said, I am back. They were happy to see me. We use I am back when we return to a place after being away. For example, if you leave a room and come back, you can say, I am back. If you go on vacation and return home, you can say, I am back. I do not feel like doing anything. Today, I was very tired. My mom asked me, Sarah, do you want to go out? I sighed and said, I do not feel like doing anything. We use I do not feel like doing anything when we have no energy or motivation. For example, if you are tired after work, you can say, I do not feel like doing anything. If your friend asks you to go jogging, but you are lazy, you can say, I do not feel like doing anything. Pull over your car. My dad was driving when a police officer signaled him. The officer said, Sir, please pull over your car. My dad stopped the car on the side of the road. We use pull over your car when we want someone to stop their car on the side of the road. For example, if a police officer signals you, they might say, pull over your car. If your car has a problem, your passenger might say, pull over your car. Slow down. While driving, my brother was going too fast. My mom said, slow down. You are driving too fast. We use slow down when we want someone to reduce their speed. For example, if your friend is running fast, you can say, slow down. If someone is eating too quickly, you can say, slow down. It seems all right. Today, my sister made a new recipe for dinner. She asked, how does it look? I took a bite and said, it seems all right. We use it seems all right when something looks or feels okay, but we are not completely sure. For example, If you check the weather before going outside, you can say, "It seems all right." If you try a new dress but are not sure, you can say, "It seems all right." I have no other choice. My friend asked, "Sarah, will you wake up early tomorrow?" I sighed and said, "I have no other choice. I have an exam." We use "I have no other choice" when we must do something because there is no other option. For example, if your teacher says, "You must take the test," you can say, "I have no other choice." If your phone is broken and you must buy a new one, you can say, "I have no other choice." That was my day. I used many expressions. Now, I know when to use them. Do you use these expressions too? Practice them every day and you will improve your English.